be the record button.
It is.
No. I press that and it backs me out of the whole thing.
Says,
This?
Dear Hannah,
Yeah.
It's this.
happy birthday from your Uncle Drew. I
Hannah.
love you. Here, I love you. Look. Take the ribbon off. Take it off. What's inside? What is
Do you know what it is?
that?
Captain's chair?
What is
It's
it?
a big cylinder.
It's hopscotch.
All right.
Hopscotch. And it's got numbers. What's that number?
Oh boy.
I tricked you.
Ten.
Nice. Say thank you, Uncle Drew.
Say thank you, Uncle Drew.